If you want to make sales on TikTok back to back, this video is a must watch. I have done 2 tutorials on how to run adverts on TikTok, and here are the reviews. This is what other people have to say about my tutorial. I'm making this new video to keep you updated about the new things that is happening with TikTok adverts, because they changed a few things. These are proofs of me selling on TikTok back to back. Either your product is an item worth $10, 10,000 naira, or 150,000 naira, $100. You would definitely find this video helpful and valuable. Let's jump right in.
This is my account. I grew this account from maybe 200 following to 6,500 using TikTok adverts.
Somebody say, "Oh, yeah." Somebody say, "Oh, cho."
This is one of the adverts I have run in past times, and this advert gave me lots of sales. We sent to different parts of the world, amongst many other adverts I have run.
So today my page is going to be the aspire to retire to perspire that we used to motivate and guide you on how to run TikTok adverts. You are welcome.
Before we go into running adverts, the first thing is to fund your ad account. This can be done in
3 different ways. First thing to know, TikTok will charge you 40% tax. That means if you are recharging 200,000 naira, 40% of 200,000 naira, 35 to 40% of the money would be gone to tax.
To recharge your TikTok account, click on this 3 dotted line up there. It takes you to balance. Click on it. Click on get coin. Click any amount suitable for you. I'll be going with 5 naira, and I'll click on recharge. You can recharge as much as you want. I already linked a card to it in past time. It's a Kuda Visa card. Visa card and MasterCard should work well. I put my fingerprint and the money would be recharged. Easy peasy.
Note that if you are using this method, you would be charged up to 35 to 40% tax. I pay around 12 to 15% tax when I run ads. I save up to 25% because of the method that I use, and this method is taught in my TikTok ad course. It costs 25,000 naira. Send a DM on Instagram to join if interested. But if you like to pay 40% to TikTok, please go ahead and use this method. Potato. Moving on. Now let's talk about system notification. This is where you see updates, a lot of updates. You check when your advert has started, when it has ended, when your promotion has been approved, when it is under review. Some content do not get approved. Why? You are Tojubo, go to your Tojubo. If you are using Adekule's Gold Music and you want to run ads, is an artist, his music are copyrighted. So when you want to run adverts, use your voice. Don't stop using music. Your voice is not meant for other things that you do. Let me talk about the other things. So always put an eye on this notification. You see a lot of things there. Also, if TikTok ad is run well, you get a lot of messages, people that would buy. We've gotten lots of buyers from TikTok. First thing is your content. Is your page ready to take visitors? If you have an apartment and you're expecting visitors, the right thing is you tidy up your apartment, or maybe prepare something your guests would eat. If you are not a stingy person, no, if you're a good person. Now, is your page prepared? What kind of content are on your page? This page is prepared and ready for adverts. Why? Our customers review and a lot of other things that should make a page prepared. Secondly, before I run adverts, I have to put important details in my caption. I would use this advert I ran as an instance. Let's look at the caption together. Explain what is in the video, whether it is for you or for someone special, our customized jewelry. When you want to run adverts, put in the caption what you are running adverts with. Is it bad? Not just to ask to order, send a DM to order. If I was you. No, you make sure your caption is detailed. And our bags, our party clutch, our wigs, our bone straights, in detail. Why? When you put everything in detail like this, you are helping the algorithm match your content with the right people. The algorithm knows what is in your content based off your caption and your video. That is why I would say use a voiceover, because in a voiceover you would also vocally talk about what you do, not just a music, not just a trend you jumped on and you're using a music, a voiceover. Now, I spoke about the price is there. I put the business WhatsApp number. This is not my WhatsApp number. It is a business WhatsApp number. To reach me, send me a DM on my personal Instagram account, Deborah Oluwaseun Roslyn. Do not go and stress my assistant that is handling the business account, okay? Moving on, your hashtag must consist of different things. that explains what is in the video. So hashtag customized gifts, customized jewelry in Lagos, personalized accessory. This is the arm of our business. If you are still watching, say dog baby, I'm with you. I dare for you, more yummy. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, drop a share comment with people that would find it valuable and helpful. This would let the algorithm know this is a very good content and push it out to more people like you that needs to see this content. Thank you for your help. Merci beaucoup. Next, I want to ask for this. I would come to caption, what is there? And who am I showing? So this women watch set, perfect for personal use, as a gift, wedding gift. We can put Valentine gift, I love you gift, you are the sugar in my tea gift. After putting all that, put your location. We are in Lagos and we deliver worldwide. If you are in China, UK, US, Canada, put your own location. The things I taught in this video works for any part of the country. You're welcome. Also, when using hashtag, put jewelry in Lagos. You are further helping the algorithm because your content is an important part of you running ads. Okay. Then lastly, click on this location tag. This location tag you can see here. Pick a location, then you post. I will not be posting. Now let's move to how to run the ad. Click on TikTok Studio. Click on Promote. Then TikTok automatically picks your last content here. So you could change the content, pick something else. Also, you can use different creative. That means you can use 3 contents to run ads at the same time, but I do not do it. I figure that just one content is fine. So you can put your budget there and you run ads with that one budget. Let's pick one, confirm. You come here, you choose. So for your audience, you can custom your audience. You pick gender, you pick age, you pick interest, or you let TikTok choose for you. It depends on you. What works for different people is different actually. Also come to budget. How much do you want to spend? You can choose between 15 days to 30 days. It depends on you. Let's say I want to run this as ads. You have to agree. You agree and you click on start. So I'm not running this ads, it's just a test. However, let me just click on start. I can stop the advert and they would refund my money back into my TikTok coin. I showed how to stop your advert and all that in my paid course, so this video will not get too long. In my paid course, you will learn TikTok rules and guidelines because there are some adverts they would not accept because it is against their guideline. I spoke about content, guideline, how to stop an advert, how to check analytics, what is working, what is not working, a lot of other things. The course is 35,000 naira, but presently discounted at 25,000 naira. Send a DM on Instagram to join. Deborah Oluwaseun Roslyn. Video advert versus picture advert. Which one gives a better result? In this video showing on the screen, I shared all you need to know about the best content for TikTok adverts. Click here, watch and enjoy. Thank you for watching and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye guys.